Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Jessica. Thank you so much for being here. And for those of you that are returning, I thank you so much as well. In today's video, we are gonna tackle this refrigerator, guys. It's a mess. It needs to be cleaned out. There's old food in here. Well, not old food, leftovers, just like stuff like that. So, yeah, we're just going to clean it out and that's what we're going to do. So, let's get started. Let me get the trash can.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame.
See, guys, last time I did this, like I was in the way. You guys didn't see nothing. So let me try to move my camera over a little bit. Let's see. I'm just gonna wipe this drawer out and put everything back in there.
Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I need.
So let me know down in the comments, how often do you guys clean your refrigerators out?
Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, darling. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah, we do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to and my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody?
Y'all, this drawer was really getting on my nerves. It just kept moving back and forth and back and forth, and I was trying to clean all this ice up. Oh my gosh, it was driving me crazy.
I need somebody. Give me somebody to love.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted.
Okay guys, that whole thing is full of trash from the freezer and the refrigerator. It was a hot mess. And I got these things right here off Amazon, but I don't know if I'd recommend them to you guys. They're super cute, but this one, I have to go like that with her. But anyways, yep, that's the whole mess. And then I got some dishes over here from there as well. But this is what it looks like now. It's organized until we can go to the grocery store. So shut that and open it up to the. So it is all organized, ready for everything new to come in. Organized. Veggies. And guys, I've been drinking this right here because I felt like going to Kroger's, so I've been drinking this, and it's actually really good with the Starbucks creamer. So if you like caramel macchiato, try the International Delight. It's really good. So that's the refrigerator, and it's all nice and cleaned out and ready for food to go in. And here is my freezer. So I just put like all the pizza stuff and up here and ice creams. And then cleaned all. I love eating ice. I eat ice every day, so I wanted to clean the bottom out. I had ice everywhere, so everything's all organized. I can see everything, and I can see what I need. And you can hear that bell. But anyways, that'll be all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.